Professor Sukumar, conspiracy doesn't seem to come to an end. I mean, last year, just after this implementation of reservation system for OBCs, just after that, conspiracy is started. Now this FIUP ploy has here. What's your take? What is it all about?
No, basically this entire 4-year program is as you said, it's a conspiracy of the university system where Dinesh Singh is heading as a vice chancellor, and it is not only that Delhi University is going to get victimized with this, and many of the SC/ST OBCs are going to be the first victims of this system. Basically, the idea is to dilute the reservation policy. You know why? How it is going to affect the reservation policy is that the basic idea of reservation is to make on par equal of the Dalit and OBC, SC/ST students to come with on par equal with the general category and compete with them and establish themselves with the employment issues where employment and the other things happens. But what is happening now because of this program that the dropout rate which is going to be increased, and vice chancellor is showing a kind of allurement of giving a diploma degree so that they will get a job which will be fit for call center. I mean, that is the sad thing is that our SC/ST boys and OBC boys and girls are going to be prepared with this diploma courses for call center jobs, and the other way that those who are going to stay back until the 4 years is being to finish, they will become managers, and their strategy is very clear cut. They want to divide among the employment also, which they are trying to create the caste system. Again, the new caste system. But this is going to be a big blow for the reservation policy, because at one level the OBC reservations came in, and now the new innovative techniques for curbing this reservation policy is being adopted by the neoliberal agenda. And where this is a huge hit. Otherwise, why even a prime minister said that, expressed the doubts, and the media is in the sense they are not reacting very seriously. And even if prime minister involved, why this policy is not being stopped within the Delhi University? Absolutely. What made Dinesh Singh to take so stubborn? And that means there is a strong signal from the government that you go ahead, we are with you.
Yes. And what is this? There are more than 25 central universities. Why this DU only? I mean, it's just 15 kilometers away from this parliament, and it's to implement the reservation is a mandate. It is compulsory for DU, and how it is coming up with the new rules. Its own kind of rules, and what this the kind of experiments are going on, and last year even Kapil Sibal, I mean, he promised everything, but he never ever seemed to be come up with the policy of reservation and the sense of democracy.
No,
why it is so?
See, Kapil Sibal is the rule maker and rule breaker also. He is the one behind this entire, havoc which is taking place. Yeah. And in fact, if you look into the impact of this on other universities and the larger pedagogical, it will be a horrifying situation where now already the 14-15 universities, private universities nearby Delhi, they have already declared that they are going to introduce 4-year system. Yeah. And with that fallout, the Bangalore University said that they are also going to be introduce this system. That means they are looking for an experimental ground which DU can be, and DU is the only where they can really make it. They can't go and touch in JNU. JNU still has that activism to stop it. DU where the much more polarization is there, and he has taken into the entire, he divided the DUTA, and he has taken the DUTA into half of the DUTA into his hands, and he influenced AC and EC members to be with him. So that is how it is a very deliberately they choose DU, because they can manipulate the entire education policy, which in another 20 years no SC/ST OBCs are going to finish and reach until their PhD. The first generation of SC/ST teachers and OBC teachers reached to the stage, now they are dismantling it. And this is going to be, and this role model, this will be shown as a role model to all the universities, and say that look, now DU has implemented, you also go ahead. So that the larger their MOU, the government's MOU with American educational policy itself is going to be the prime thing within the agenda within another 5 years. I think, I mean, it would be vulnerable. The idea of reservations, what Ambedkar came out with equally getting, giving equal footage to these vulnerable groups, particularly SC, STs, and now recently where OBCs has been also been considered, and they are going to be the worst victims of this. Already see what happened now. The semester system, students are not able to cope up with that, and now coming to the 4-year, now university is in big chaos, and I don't know how even the Home Minister, the Education Minister Pallam Raju, he has given up the idea. What he doesn't have, it seems that these political parties, even though they have an idea what is happening around, but which is they are not opening their eyes, and without taking the higher education policy into consideration. It is shame on UGC part. UGC must take cognizance of what is happening around. And it is the alliance between the UGC chairman and the Delhi University Vice Chancellor and the Pallam Raju and this guy, Kapil Sibal, and the American agencies. And in between, what is happening? UPA is, of course, legitimizing this entire system. Two times, Prime Minister has been met by many people, many teachers from the Delhi University. But he hardly bothered. He said that we will look into the matter. How long? Already the EC has approved it, and it is going to be implemented this coming year. And it would, I think, we are all skeptical. I know as a teacher inside the classroom how our students the battle every day in the classroom. Discrimination is going to be prime character of this 4-year program. The exit point which they have created is that filter SC, ST, OBCs by just giving them a degree, a diploma, so that you are eligible for spreadsheet jobs, and our boys and our girls are eligible for managerial jobs. This clear-cut division is going to happen within 5 years or within 10 years. That's the thing.